Hey Curly, so today I have a brand new wig unboxing for you. If you're wondering how am I going to fit a wig over these big old braids, that is the trick. This is the wig. So this is not an actual braid set. This is a wig. This is the Outre Expressions large Reggae twist wig. It looks really good. As you can see, it looks really natural. It looks like I got my real hair braided. I did not. Your girl's hair is in a ponytail under here. But yes, it looks really good. The braids are pretty long. They're about waist length. And it looks like a really good wig set. So if you're interested in the unboxing to see like what I did to get it to look so natural, stay tuned because it's coming at you right now. Also, if you really want to see some hairstyles with this wig, drop that down in the comments and I will definitely bring you a video of some hairstyles you could do with your braided wig. So thank you so much for watching. Here it comes right now. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this out of its packaging. This is actually really cute. At least on the picture it's really cute. But we'll see. So I'm going to go ahead, take it out. It is a lace front. And these are the Reggae Twist Large. It's pretty long. Let's see if I can find out how many inches it is. Yeah, I have no idea. So we're just going to skip that for now. Alright, so I'm going to take it out of the net that it comes in. And the ends are sealed, which is good. So that means it should last a pretty long time. And I'm going to take it out, all of the stuff that comes in it that gets in the way, and I'm going to cut off the tag. The tag just gives you like hair care instructions and like how to put it on, blah blah blah. So I'm just going to jump right into trying it on. So I already have on my wig cap. So I'm going to try it on, just see what it looks like before I even cut the lace off. And then I will do that. Hopefully it fits. I have a pretty big head, y'all. Oh my goodness. This is a lot of hair. This cap is feeling a little bit small to me. I've got the lace all turned in. Alright, so far, first impression, make sure you got your hair as flat as possible. The cap is snug, but I guess for braids you want the cap to be kind of snug. Right now it looks a bit of a hot, and I do mean hot mess. I look like I got on one of them like Halloween wigs, y'all. But we are going to see what we can do with it. So this is how it looks so far. It's just a little lumpy. It does look like it has like some parting in it. So maybe we could turn that brown with a little makeup and see where it goes. It comes with baby hairs to make it look more realistic. I guess this wig probably will look so far cutest pulled up. It's a pretty small cap, so if you have a big head, keep that in mind. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace and then go from there and see if I can get it to look just a little bit cuter on me, because right now it's like okay, but it's just not as cute as it could be. It's not all of that, and it feels like some of the braids are like sewed down, so I'm gonna have to go through and snip some of these threads to release them. Yeah, some of the braids are sewed down, so I'm gonna go through, snip these threads to release them, and then cut off the lace, and I'll be right back with what it looks like once we get the hair all free, because I gotta find out which ones is even sewed down. I mean, the more I play with it, the better it is starting to look, but it's a little rough right now. That's all I'm saying. It's a little rough. All right, so I am back with the wig. As you can see, I've done a couple modifications and I put the wig on. So I cut off the lace, and as you can see, I've already taken and put the foundation on the lace to make it match my skin. So I use my darkest shade of foundation. This is my summer color. It actually doesn't even match me right now. It's too dark. But I use that for my wig. That way I feel like it blends a little bit better when you use a dark, like your darkest shade, like your darkest foundation match to do the lace, especially because the knots do not come bleached. So the knots are obvious. So after I did that dark shade, it covered up most of the knots, and then I used a little bit of my pressed powder, to go ahead and go over that foundation just to make the lace a little less obvious, which I think it blends pretty well. I cut the lace as close as possible to where it has the baby hairs. That's what these little loose hairs are. And also the wig comes with a section that is not a track, but it's rather like actually braided. So for that section, I did go through for all of the parts I can find, and I went ahead and covered it up with foundation. You really can't see those parts, so unless you go ahead and maybe pluck a couple of the hairs, or you have to like flatten it. So the way it's braided, it's like the roots are poofy, so they don't lay flat right away. But if you put the wig on and style it how you want, and probably tie a scarf on it, or like put it in a ponytail, pulling it tight back while you were getting ready, you probably be able to see the parts pretty well. And I also added an elastic band in my wig just to hold it down. I don't personally like using the clips. The elastic band holds it really flat. So as you can see over here, like there's still a small amount of lifting because I sewed my elastic band like right behind my ear. But you can pin that down, or you could just leave it. Personally, it makes me no real difference. It lays really flat even without it. You can lay it with some gorilla snot if you prefer. Whatever your preference is to lay down your wigs. But I think it looks pretty good. These are the large braids. So it is a lot of hair. It's pretty full. So only the middle is not tracks. The rest of it is just tracks of hair braided. But it looks pretty good. It almost looks like I really have my hair braided. The only thing missing is a little bit more of a scalpy look, which you could create. You could go through your tracks and put like foundation in between them, even where it doesn't have like that plastic parting area if you prefer. It doesn't really make me a difference at this point because I probably will wear it kind of pushed back or pulled up even. I don't know how yet, but maybe pulled back. Who knows what I would do with it. But this is definitely going to be my go-to like winter fall hair because it's so cute, and it's way cheaper than actually getting your hair braided. It's way easier to maintain your real hair. So personally, I like it much better. I think I paid like $20 for this wig, maybe $22. I'll get the price and I'll put it in there. I did get it from samsbeauty.com when they had a sale, so I will look up the price and put it in there for you guys. But I think you could do a lot with this wig. Like you could do pretty much all the braided styles that you could do with your regular braids, you could do with this wig. It's pretty long. It goes like waist length on me, and it looks really cute. I would definitely recommend the wig. I think it looks pretty good for a wig. I didn't expect the braid set to actually look as good as it does. It's the right kind of hair texture, if that makes sense, for braids. And it looks just overall really nice. It's a good color. It has pretty good movability. It's pretty full. And once I added the elastic band, it does not move. It's like I could be out here bobbleheading it up. It doesn't move. So I like it. I definitely think it is a winner. Like I said, if you wanted to have more of a scalpy look, you could just go through and like where, like right here, you could just put a little bit of foundation just to give it the illusion of it being your scalp. I don't think that I care to do that, but who knows, I may change my mind the longer I wear it. I'm gonna wait to see, you know, let it get relaxed. It's, you know, fresh out the box still, so that it can look a little bit more natural. But overall, I definitely like the wig. I want to thank you so much for watching this unboxing. if you're interested in like different hairstyles you could do with the wig, let me know down in the comments and I can make a video sharing that. But this is typically my go-to, like my hair pushed to one side and the other side kind of thrown over my shoulder when I have braids, which also looks really cute with this wig. But if you want more styles, let me know down in the comments and I can definitely share. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it, give it that thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel to keep up with more of my updates. Thank you so much, and I hope you all have a super amazing day.